So a little walk around the house, just looking at some of the Christmas decorations we've got up. A lot of these have been seen already, but it's nice just to have a walk around and look. So this is the banister, the stairs, when it focuses. So garlands are put up and down the stairs. They've got beads on them, they've got lights on them, they've got twigs on them, they've got baubles on them, they've got everything. So just going down the stairs. And you can hear the dogs scampering about, but it keeps us nice and safe down the bottom of the stairs there. Okay, just going to head out to the front door. As you can see, we've got a wreath on there as well, so opening that up, just stepping outside, there we have the wreath on the front door, and it's a light at the front of the house. You won't be able to see it because it's daytime, but there we have a snowflake light which projects itself on the front of the building, but again can't see it this time of day. So just heading back in again, back into the hallway. Okay, the stairs just come down, a mirror with all sorts on it really. Okay, heading into the front room, try to focus. Saying hello to Deb. Dog's going to do a runner now because he hates the camera. So hello.
Hello.
So a few bits and bobs down there, and the main tree. As promised, the dog will make a fast approach to the kitchen. The fireplace. Nice Merry Christmas just there as well. Bits and bobs down the bottom there on the fireplace. Deb again. Heading out to the kitchen. Another house not escaped. Somebody's birthday recently, so we've got some lilies there. Deb's favourite flower. Okay, the cones here were multicoloured cones. Sprayed those with silver spray paint, which have come up really effective. The candle bridge there. Another one that was green, I think, with spray just there. And just going down to the back of the kitchen, we've got the main centrepiece on the table, which again has got lights in it. A little gold Christmas tree down there that's got lights on it as well. And a pretty little white one just there as well. That is about it. Hope you've enjoyed the tour around the house. Have a great Christmas. Like and subscribe.